Hello parents, welcome back to our channel Art of Parenting. Today we are going to showcase a very simple activity for your kids. It is nothing but sorting. In today's video, I am showcasing this sorting activity by using pulses. You can also do this activity with the toys of your kids, or you can also do this activity with few pencils, pens, erasers and sharpeners. And this activity can be done once your child is 1.5 years old. This is a very good activity to keep your child busy, and they will show a lot of interest to do this activity. Whatever the items available at your house, you can just pick few of them and then do this sorting activity. This will help them to improve logical thinking as well as creative thinking, and also helps them to have a clarity in their thoughts. Now let's get started with the activity. To do this activity, we have taken few pulses. Here, I have taken rajma, groundnut, corn, makhana, tamarind seeds, chana dal, and roasted chana dal. Now, let's see how are we going to do this activity. For this, first mix all the items. Now, mix up all the things in a bowl and give that bowl to a child and ask her to separate those objects and put it in a plate. As in, she has to put all rajma at one place, and makhana at one place, tamarind seeds at one place. Start, Jinana. You can instruct her in such a way that first she will collect all the same objects and then goes to the next one. As in, first, as she started with the makhana, she will finish with the makhana collecting, and then she will go to the next seed. Now she is done with makhana and she started peanuts. So your child has to pick up one object, put it in the plate, and come back to the bowl, pick up the second object and put it in the plate. This also helps them to improve their sitting tolerance. So, this activity of sorting objects is done according to their similarities of the objects. Okay, now she has done with the peanuts and then moved to the corn. Classifying and sorting activities helps children to develop a range of thinking skills and build the foundation for later problem solving. By sorting, children also understand that things are alike and different as well. And this activity you can do once your child is at least 1.5 years old, because by then they'll be able to sit and understand the objects, and they also have a proper grip to hold the objects. And in fact, These activities often attract children. Sometimes it also happens that we tend to ignore very simple and basic activities like this, but these also helps to improve their thinking, logical, creative, as well as mathematical skills. And this is also one of the independent play for toddlers. And when we are doing this activity one at a time, the main goal is to train the brain to create more organized thoughts and ways of retrieving information. Okay, now she is moving on to the fifth object, that's roasted chana dal. Now moving on to the next one, she has picked up green chana. Bhavi, one by one. Now, anyways, once she's done with this, the only rajma will be left in the bowl. So, this is a very good activity for your child when they are really bored, because this keeps them occupied for a longer time. We'll be coming up with more exciting videos like this. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.